So we're Octavo Systems. We are a system and package company, which basically system and package is the next generation of module development. So what we do is we take processors from Texas Instruments, STMicroelectronics, and AMD Xilinx, and pair them up with DRAM, DDR memory, power management, passives, and some other components, and put that all into a single IC package. You know, what makes us different than SOMs is that we are using IC manufacturing technology. So we are using bare die and silicon manufacturing process to integrate this all into, instead of a PCB, into what looks like a standard IC at the end of the day, standard BGA device. While we do integrate memory and we are affected by memory, we have worked very hard with our suppliers and have developed relationships over 10 years that we can continue to supply our products and continue to get supply. So we really have no problems with a shortage of memory. We will be able to continue to supply. Now, where the current market comes into play is can't really promise pricing right now, but we are working to make it as easy as possible for our customers to work and deal with us with this situation. So one of the things we're doing is, we are trying to give the customer as much foresight into what the pricing is going to be as possible, and then work with them to make that happen. So some of the biggest challenges that I think are universal and happened for years is really trying to do more with less, right? Whether that be less time, less resources, less money. And so really what Octavo aims to do through our integration is to make it easier for our customers to take advantage of this technology, right? By integrating in the processor, the DDR, and the power supplies. These are all, again, table stakes that don't really differentiate your product from somebody else's. Nobody at the end of the day puts, hey, I got my DDR to work on a device. It's okay, cool, what can you do with it? So we remove you having to spend time on that, spend board spins and things like that. We remove that from you and allow you to focus on what's going to differentiate your product, allowing you to get to market faster, make it smaller, all these kind of things. Some of the new things we've been doing is we're working with Texas Instruments on their AM62 family of products. We have a whole product line around those, and then we're also working with ST on their STM32 MP2 line of products. And one of the big innovations that we've kind of done over these last few years, we've switched to what we're now calling processor modules. So now we're basically putting the processor, DRAM, and passives all into a single package that is the size of a single DRAM chip. So saving you 70% on your board space. So again, really maximizing that integration and that value. Am I excited for the future? Yes, everything is becoming more and more integrated, more and more technology and smarts, and we're really helping push the boundaries out, right? Pushing this technology and these smarts more and more to the edge.